Gonna make this curry today, beef curry, Indian style, really, really delicious. Nice and tender. Let me just grab a little bit there. Oh, that's good. Welcome back to House Cook Great. Okay, so here we've got our beef. I've cut it quite small. There's just beef in there. There's no bone. Little tiny bit of fat, which I like in there. There's 4 cups there, which is the same as the tomato. 4 cups, 4 cups. In weight, that's about a kilo. Yeah, 1 kilo, so it's a couple of pounds. 2 cups of onions, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, fresh chili to taste. You can see the amount I've got there, but you can change that if you want. Right here we've got our spices. Today I'm using a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of cumin, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. The chili powder that I'm using is Kashmiri. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, couple of dried red chilies, if you can get them, fresh curry leaves. Let's get moving. So in my pot, pan, whatever you're going to use, I've got some oil. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil in there, and I'm using coconut oil. We're going to start off by dropping in the cumin seeds, the dried red chili, and the curry leaves. Now I've just put the heat on, so just for 30 seconds or so, we just want to let them do their thing in there. We're on an above medium heat right now. Then we're going to add the 2 cups of onion, and we're going to go for 4 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, let's get our beef and let's drop that in. Like I say, cut this nice and small. To that I'm going to add salt. I'm going to turn the heat down to medium, so it's slightly above there. And we're going to go for 8 to 9 minutes now, and we're going to be stirring every minute or so. Fabulous stuff. Next up, let's get our ginger garlic paste in, which is a 50-50 mix of the 2 if you're not familiar with it. We're now going to add our powders. Let's just take another look, shall we? 2 teaspoons of chili, 1 each of turmeric, garam masala powder, and cumin. We're going to add our fresh chili to taste. And then we're going to grab our tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, get them in. I'm also going to add to this, I didn't show you this earlier, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Now what we need to do, just above medium heat, let this go now for about 10 minutes. Stir every minute or so. We want those tomatoes to break right down. Okay, so you can see I got loads of moisture from my tomatoes as they broke down. If you didn't, you could add a little bit of water. We're going to get this onto a simmer now, really nice and low. We're going to pop a lid on it, and then we're going to let it go for about, because of this beef, I'm going to let it go for about 30 minutes. I'm going to stir it every 5 minutes. If it dries out too much, I'm going to add a little bit of water. Okay, I've been going about 30 minutes now, so off comes the heat. There's some steam out of there. Let me get that lid down there. Now I didn't add any more water to mine, and you can see it's kind of developed into a beautiful thick masala. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and about half a cup of chopped fresh coriander. Off goes the heat. Give that a little spin. You've got yourself a fantastic beef curry there. Really delicious. And there you go, job done. Absolutely wonderful. Nice tender beef. Just stuck some curry leaves on the top as a bit of a signature. But by the way, I get asked this quite a lot. Can you eat the curry leaves? Yeah, of course. Get in there, chew away. They're absolutely delicious. Lovely with rice, lovely with roti or some sort of bread. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I will see you soon. Lots of love.